Hey Bilaras! Let's talk turmeric. It's one of the most powerful natural ingredients in the world. Brightens, heals, evens skin tone, calms inflammation, etc. But if you've ever used it and ended up with a yellow stained face, or hands, or sink, I feel you. I used to avoid it altogether, even though I knew how amazing it could be for my skin. Just because I didn't want to look like a walking sunset. But over time, I discovered a few rare tricks that changed everything. Now turmeric is one of my go-to glow-up ingredients. No staining, no stress. So today, I'm sharing the right way to use turmeric, the safest combinations that won't stain your skin, and how to get all the benefits with none of the mess. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I post real effective skincare every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's glow together. I know a lot of you are scared to use turmeric on your face, and honestly, that used to be me. But here's why you shouldn't give up on it. It reduces acne and inflammation. It fades hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It brightens dull skin and boosts natural glow. It's antibacterial and antifungal. And it supports healing, especially for textured or scarred skin. So why does it stain? It's mostly due to curcumin, the bright yellow pigment in turmeric. It's powerful but very strong in color. Here are my secret tips that most people don't know or never talk about online. Number 1, use only a pinch, a quarter teaspoon or less. The more turmeric you use, the higher your chances of staining. You don't need a full spoon. A pinch is powerful enough. Number 2, always combine it with a fat or binder. Fats help buffer the color and reduce staining. My favorite combos are turmeric plus milk or yogurt, because the lactic acid plus fat equals magic. Turmeric plus honey, which is natural humectant and brightener, or turmeric plus aloe vera gel, which is soothing and cooling. Number 3, add rice or chickpea flour as a base. These powders act like natural buffers. They dilute the pigment and give your mask a nice texture without intensifying the yellow. Number 4, always apply on a slightly damp face. This prevents the turmeric from gripping too hard to your dry skin. Just mist with rose water before applying. Number 5, time it right. Don't leave it on for more than 10 to 15 minutes. More time doesn't mean more results. It just increases the chance of staining. Here's my go-to turmeric mask for glow, acne, and pigmentation. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of milk, a few drops of honey. Mix until smooth, not runny or thick. To use, apply on clean, slightly damp skin. Leave it on for 10 to 12 minutes and remove using gentle circular motions with lukewarm water. Rinse again with cold water to close up pores and follow up with rose water or a gentle toner. The full tutorial of this recipe is already on my channel. I'll link it below. If you do accidentally stain, don't panic. Here's how to fix it. Milk cleanse. Dip a cotton pad in cold milk and gently wipe your face. It breaks down turmeric pigment fast. Oil massage. Apply a tiny bit of coconut or olive oil, massage gently, and then wipe off with a warm towel. And most importantly, don't scrub. Be gentle, and it'll fade within a few hours, if not immediately. So, Bilaras, don't let yellow stains keep you from using one of the most powerful skincare ingredients nature gave us. Turmeric done right is a glow-up goldmine. Comment below, have you tried turmeric on your face? Or were you too scared of staining? I'd love to hear your experience or help if you've had any trouble with it before. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who's ready to glow up naturally, minus the yellow stains. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!